Print statement in Python. So when you want to print something onto the output device, that can be done with the help of print statement. And this print statement will be varied in different versions of Python. So if you say it is a Python 2 version, then you can have the print statement like print and then the space followed by single quotations or a double quotation, which is enclosed with a message which is to be displayed. Whereas if it is Python 3, you can have the function parentheses also being used after print statement, and in that function parentheses we can give the statement which is to be displayed with a single quotations or can be a double quotation. So we can say that the print statement is a function which is to be displaying some message onto the output device. So basically when you want to print something message like or a value or a character, that can be given with the print statement followed by parentheses. In that parentheses quotations, and in that quotations you can give the message that will be displayed or a value that is to be displayed, and that value can be an integer value or a float value or a character value or a string. Anything can be given in the quotations. And when you're printing, you can also use a separator where you can separate more than one value while displaying the data with the print statement. Like if you see the first print statement here, print A in quotations, comma B in quotations, which is to be separated by hyphen. So now when you are displaying the print statement, now A displayed and then hyphen B will be displayed. When you go for the next statement, print statement, now here I want to display hello, and after the hello is being displayed, I want to give three exclamatory mark at the end of the hello message. So now I have given end and then three exclamatory marks. So three exclamatory mark will be displayed after the displaying of hello message. And now we can use the print statement with f string also, where we can have this as an example, like I'm having two variables, item and then the price. So now the item is book and price is 19.99. So the two variables which are to be displayed are enclosed in the curly parentheses, where because this is the f string, so your statement should start with f, quotations begin, and in that whatever the items are to be displayed, that is the variables are to be displayed, that can be in the curly parentheses. And because this price is of 19.99 value, so after decimal point we have to have two values. So dot 2f is used to say that it is the decimal point value with the two values or the two numbers or the two digits after the decimal point. And next, along with the f string, also you can use format method or a function, where you can have this format function to be used for more than one variable to be displayed. So if you give this with the example, so I'm having city equals to New Delhi and temperature is equal to 25. So when I'm printing, so the temperature is in like curly parentheses and is again curly parentheses and degree in the Celsius. So for this, I'm given with the two curly parentheses because I'm having two variable city and then the temperature. So first curly parenthesis indicating for city and second parameter is using for temperature. So dot format and then parenthesis begin city comma temperature will be the formatting where you want to display the two variables here, or else you can give 0, 1 and so on in the curly parenthesis where you are displaying in the variable which is to be displayed. And also you can use escape sequence, where the escape sequence is indicating that a character which is followed by a backslash. So generally this can be used in any other languages also to indicate that this is a special character to be used for a specific purpose. So if you want to go for the new line, you can give slash n. If you want to go for the tab space, you can give slash t, or if you want to give the quotations like single quotations, you can give slash t, or else if you want to give the double quotations, you can give slash double. The print statement also can be used while you are opening a file in the write mode, and after opening the file in the write mode you can place something into the file. So generally when you want to open the file, we can use with write my mode, and then to open it, so with open and then the function parenthesis, so whatever the file is to be opened, so I'm here with the out.txt. Txt is indicating that it is a text file which is enclosed in the double quotations, and then w is indicating that the file is being opened in the write mode, and as is indicating that it is a file. So now when you want to display that into the file f, then it is being given like hello and then comma file equals to f.